What's going on YouTube? Today I'm driving the rental and I had it for almost about a week and everything's settled with that side of things right now on the automotive side of part of it. Right now I gotta get ready to return this in like 2 hours. And no, that's a lie. I gotta return it in a couple hours and go to work. So I figured I just want to make a quick video on this, and I have a couple little, not updates, but a couple little things I wanted to show. So I figured it'd be a good time to make a video out of it. So let's go ahead and get this done and show what I'm talking about. So I just finished doing one of the chores. I just had to drop garbage off and throw it out. But one of the things I'm excited to show is going to maybe change a big portion of the quality of the channel is I bought this thing. It's the ZV-E10 Sony camera, and the rest of the video is going to be recorded on this. I kind of just want to make a video recording with it, see what it's like. I'm not going to use my DJI microphones because this is supposed to have a good microphone in it. So we'll see the video and sound quality difference from this camera and this. I'm still going to keep these because I'm probably going to use these for like exhaust clips or gap cam stuff or intake noises. They're both going to be good for that. But I think this is obviously going to be my main camera. So we're going to go ahead and see what the video and sound difference is. Look, there's you guys. We can stop that recording now. We can take this off. How? We'll put those back. I don't really have anything crazy planned for today's video. It was just kind of, I wanted to try this out and see what it all sounds like and what it looks like. And here's the rental again. We're getting ready to drop this off now shortly. I am gonna probably cut to me being home because there's one thing I gotta do. It's the final thing, and it does have to deal with the Audi, so it is gonna be the car related. I'll probably do it in the car, honestly, might as well. But I'm probably gonna cut to me being home and getting in the Audi, discussing that last little portion of the Audi, so then hopefully the next couple uploads with the Audi can be recorded as me repairing it. So hopefully we can do that now shortly. So let's cut there. So right now, today, I am going on Rock Auto and I'm buying the last couple-ish parts for the S5. So I already have 2 ignition coils, so I'm going to order 6 more. I'm gonna order 6 new ignition coils. I already just ordered 2, 8 spark plugs, and I need a door lock actuator. So I forgot to mention that because I forgot it stopped working. It basically, when you press the lock button on your key fob, it does nothing because it's the driver's side which controls the passenger. Or yeah, it's the driver's side, so it controls both of them. All it does, it used to flick the hazards. I don't even think it does that now. So it's $56. So I'm gonna go ahead and order that. And of course, you can't buy nothing for any amount of money. The final cost is going to be $420.96 after shipping. That is also, oh, Mittens. Say hi. That is just, that's the cheapest option for shipping. And it says it should arrive Friday. So let's go ahead and order that. So then Friday, we might be able to put on some more parts. Or we'll start putting on parts. I think I might start this week with putting on coolant parts, like the coolant reservoir. We can start with that maybe. I would like to get most of it done on one weekend. So if all this comes in, I might be able to do both valve covers and the coolant reservoir this weekend. So that's going to be the goal for that. If we have time, maybe we can do the transmission part, and then I can go to Audi and get oil if I need to. But let's go ahead and actually finish ordering this. All right, now that is all ordered. That's $420 more at this time. I think I got like over $1,000 worth of parts. I think I had 700 before, so That's not even including the rims. Yeah, so I probably am like 2 grand into parts right now. I'm gonna do it all myself. That's no problem. But oops. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of the audio and the camera, because I didn't use the microphone like the other camera did, because the audio on the microphone wasn't really it wasn't all that good. I'm kind of having a bit of a trouble figuring out how to hold this thing. I don't know if I want to hold it here or here. That's just going to be a little getting used to. I'm a little nervous holding this because this is an expensive camera. Like, it's a beginner creator's camera, is what I've did a bit of research on. I don't know a whole lot of stuff about cameras and all that. Like, I'm new to all this, but I wanted to get something that was half quality. Apparently this is a really good camera for people like me. So um if you guys find the camera looks better, sounds better than the audio from the microphones, or the other camera, I'm still going to use the other camera for like um gap cam, not really gap cam, but like certain angles, and well, maybe a gap cam, like I set it up as one, or I might set it up as like a time lapse camera, and then this one's going to be my main one. The only thing I need to get for this is I'm going to get a 2 thing battery pack that is in like a charger, kind of like how your AirPods work. So I'm thinking about getting that for this camera, because I want to see how I want to be able to record for a while. So I'm definitely going to utilize buying 2 cameras or 2 batteries for this. I didn't want to do it for the other one, because the other, for the DJI one, it's like $200 or $300 for batteries, I think. I don't know if that was off brand or branded or not, but it was something like that. So I didn't want to spend that kind of money and not get any better quality out of it. So you can see the quality difference in mittens now. Hey, buddy. Yes. Oh, the camera makes him look so handsome. Look. Oh, look at his little nose. Yes. If you guys are excited to see what we end up doing with the camera, with the car content, stick around, because I know this one wasn't much, but like I ordered car parts. So if you guys like it, then see you in the next one.